Hey guys, it's me Eirelyn and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. I am Eirelyn. If you're new, subscribe. I'm cool. This is a series I do where I try to cook stuff and it's called Cooking with the Bird because I am a bird. This is my bird friend. I don't know if you can see him. Is my hand blocking him? He's on there. Yes. So today I'm cooking breakfast bombs. I don't really know how to do it. It's from a tasty BuzzFeed video. I think it's BuzzFeed. Yeah, I have everything prepped over there because I'm not gonna bore you with that because we took literally an hour to prep everything and it's 3 now, so I'm eating these for dinner. But yes, we are going, I'm looking at the oven, we are going to cook the bacon. Yeah, let's just do it. And yes, we're cooking bacon and stuff. And you'll see it. So I will link the video that I'm using for this recipe down below because, you know, that's normal. But we gotta cook the bacon. So let's see how I cook the bacon. So 4 bacon strips into the thing and you cook them. So I'm gonna turn on the oven. Okay. This is the bacon. Yes, this is not a vegan meal, or vegetarian, vegan, same difference. Also, when handling meat, wash your hands, because it's meat. Yeah, so, I don't even know how long I have to wait for this to cook. So let's turn up the heat, because I don't want to wait very long. Want me to zoom? I'm gonna zoom in on this for you guys. It's this one. This is 4 strips of bacon. It may not look like it, but it is. So, how do I angle this camera up? We don't want another mishap from last time when I got grease splattered in my eye. So I'm gonna let these sit for a minute and find a plate. So let's angle this camera up a little bit. So I'm gonna find a plate and finish cooking these. So in these videos on the Tasty, they never show you how much you're supposed to cook them. So I'm just kind of like judging it. But also I'm going to put it on this plate after because I don't know where else to put it. Fun. It looks cookie. Now it looks more like, I need to loosen that. Now it looks more cooked, maybe. Can you see that? Bacon. Smells good. I don't know if this is cooked enough. Mom! Yeah. Is this cooked enough? What? Is this cooked enough? No. Okay. Okay. So we are now doing the next part because my mom took the bacon out for me and put it on the plate over there. But this is garlic. I'm gonna shimmy down so you can see me. So I said 2 garlic cloves, but I did 1 because we don't really like that much garlic, you know. Garlic cloves, okay. And then we put that in here, okay. And now. I hate how sticky it is. Oh, wow! Wow! Sorry, this is cool. I've never cooked stuff like this. I actually like this every night. Oh wow, that's bubbling. Okay. What do I do next? Oh, eggs. Oh my gosh, I almost spilled them. Eggs. This is 8 eggs, so we're gonna pour these in. I'm so scared. Okay, those are in. And then right after, we put scallions. So this is a 1/4 cup, I don't know. So those are in now too. Go. Okay. I feel kind of accomplished, I guess. So now we cook the eggs. This actually looks really good, especially with like, because it's cooked in the bacon grease. So that's interesting. I'm gonna turn it up a bit because I like cooking my eggs fast. These are scrambled eggs, by the way. So it's getting more cooked now, which I like, but it's been slow. This actually looks really yummy, and I'm not an adventurous food person, but okay. Yeah. I don't know how BuzzFeed videos keeps the thing so clean. Like, what the heck? This actually looks good. It's good. Okay, we're relocated because we gotta do the potatoes now. So you have to shred the potatoes. We did 8, they were supposed to do 6. It's fine. So I have an egg because I need to crack it. So, oh. Flour. Forgot about the flour. So I need to pour the egg in. I'll angle the camera down so you can see this. Ah, okay. Here we are. Egg. Oh gosh. Flour. Oh gosh. Okay. Ah. I also should have done this earlier. You need cheese. Cheese. And then you stir it? Yeah? Okay, they're stirring it with a spatula. I got a spatula. Now we fold it together, so I'm gonna do that. Yes, fold. Oh, this is weird. This is a weird texture. This is a weird. I don't know how I feel about this. Ooh, okay. So, just folding this together, I guess. Ooh, this looks so weird. Potatoes are turned and flipped, but they do look very different from theirs. I don't know why, but it might just be the potatoes that we used because they didn't specify on which potatoes we had to use. So I'm going to play the next part. Okay, so the next part, I have something on my elbow. So I'm gonna wipe this off and just keep it there. So the next part includes these lovely large cupcake trays, and I'll be back in a second. I'm actually gonna angle the camera down again so you can see what I'm doing in this area. Don't mind the saran wrap brand. Okay, I need a spoon. That's a fork. Here's a big spoon. Spoon. So it's spooning some in to the hole. That might be too much. Actually, it might not. And then just moving it around to form the outer edge, I guess, to hold all the food. I have to make 6 of these because this is my dinner. Next step. Okay. Another half a cup. I'm just eyeballing this part. I don't care. Boop, 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 boop. So we put cheese. Mine's gonna be completely different. Then we put the egg, which I'm grabbing. Egg. Oh, that's still warm. Okay, I need another spoon. Casual. So, we spoon some egg into there. And then we put more cheese. Okay. Okay, this is the tricky part. We're gonna lift it up. Oh gosh. You know what? I'm going to actually do something that's not in the video because why not? So I'm gonna just place some more on top so it molds it there because this does not look very compacted. Put it in the fridge for 20 minutes to chill. So I'm gonna whip this up and I'll see you guys back in 20 minutes. I need to shrink. Okay, so I'll see you guys in 30 minutes, I guess. Hi, I'm chilling down here. So these are still squishy, but done. So we're gonna take egg wash and put it all over top. And then you put it in the oven at 375 for 35 to 45 minutes. So let's do that and then wait basically half an hour. So they're cooked. They look very different from the tasty BuzzFeed ones. It's BuzzFeed, right? If I'm getting this wrong, please tell me. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna try one now. They're probably gonna be very warm because they just got out of the oven. But, yes. They look good. Hot. I only got potato. I literally only got potato. Okay. Still only getting potato. Cool. I'm filming, Mom. Hold on. It's good. Okay, my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna end this video. Hope you liked it, and I will see you guys not next Friday, but the Friday after that. And these are really good, so I suggest trying to make them. Okay, bye. Turn on post notifications, subscribe. I'm Eirelyn.